Assembling the snow thrower. To assemble the snow thrower, remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the handles. Take the middle handle piece and line up the holes of where you removed the 2 screws. Ensure the black slot piece is facing downward. Tighten the handles together. Next, take the 2 clips and unscrew them. Take the top handle, which is attached by a cord, and line up the holes on the middle handle to the holes on the top handle. Place the clips into the holes and tighten the handles together. It is easier to have the clips already facing in when tightening. Next, take the chute handle and assemble them together by lining up the holes and placing the pin through. Slide the handle through the black slot on the middle handle and into the back of the snow thrower. Finally, you will attach the chute head. Line up the slots on the sides of the chute head to the chute base. Ensure the clips come through. Push down on the green handle, which will lift it, allowing you to hook it into any of the slotted grooves. Your snow thrower is now ready for use. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks. Assembling the snow thrower. To assemble the snow thrower, remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the handle.